Back to Latin America now. In Mexico, on Tuesday, Eduardo Medina assumed his position as the newest Supreme Court justice in Mexico. Many Mexicans, though, are speaking out against his appointment. Our correspondent Clayton Kahn now explains why.
Here in Mexico Supreme Court, the former Attorney General and Ambassador to the United States, Eduardo Medina Mora, officially assumed his post as a new justice, a week after being nominated by the country's Senate.
The firm principles of this ethical court are those values that orient and unite us: independence, impartiality, objectivity, professionalism, and excellence.
Yet the new minister comes in amid a storm of criticism. Civil society activists point to his past as Attorney General, which include documented human rights abuses with unresolved cases, such as the controversial arms dealing program Fast and Furious. They question whether this history will conflict with his role as a justice.
This minister has a history of cases that are going to come to the court soon, and the first thing that he will have to do is remove himself and not make a ruling.
Some citizens argue that his quick appointment and approval by Mexico's Senate, which held relatively little debate over the nominee, as an indicator that there exists little division of power in Mexico's political system.
This confirms once again that in this country, in our beloved Mexico, democracy does not exist, that there is no separation of power, given that the presidency continues for the past 70 years controlling the three branches of government.
As Medina Mora begins his term, 2 of the 11 total justices will terminate their terms in November. Analysts say they expect fierce public debates as the new nominees will be filling seats that focus on the area of human rights. Although an online petition gathered more than 52,000 signatures against the nomination of Medina Mora, the now Supreme Court Justice will carry out his 15-year term. Clayton Kahn, Telesur, Mexico City.